Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create tonkeeper account in few minutes. Okay, so first thing, go to Google or App Store. The app is available on both of them, so type tonkeeper, and this is the tonkeeper wallet app. So open it, or if you didn't install it on your phone, click install. After that, what you need to do is create new wallet. Choose this one and choose the passcode, and you need to remember this passcode. Okay, so enable notification, allow, and as you can see here, I create tonkeeper account in few minutes or few seconds. So very important thing or step is use biometric to approve transactions. So enable this and put the passcode, put your fingerprint, and as you can see here, after we enable this option, so if you receive money or send money, you need to put your fingerprint to make tonkeeper application verify if the owner of the tonkeeper account who doing the transfer, not another person. Okay, so I will put another videos about tonkeeper and Binance. If you like the video, subscribe my channel, like the video, and tell me if this video really helped you. Thank you.